What if I told you that this one decision could either set you up for the next 10 years or keep you stuck in the same financial loop forever? What if you invest and lose everything? What if you choose the wrong stock? What if the market crashes tomorrow? What if you wait and regret it later? Now here's the real question. Why do most Americans never build wealth, even when they start with the same $1,000? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you won't just learn investing, you'll know exactly what to do next. For example, if you are 24 years old, lives in California, works 9 to 5, finally saved your first $1,000 for you. This wasn't just money, it was skipping nights out, saying no to trips, cutting expenses. So one night, you decides you are going to invest. You opens YouTube, searches how to invest money. And suddenly, you hit with this stock will 10 times. Crypto is the future. Don't miss this opportunity. So, you picks one, puts all $1,000 into it. 2 weeks later, it drops 35%. You panics, sells everything. Now you has $650 and zero confidence. And here's the scary part. You never invests again. You didn't lose money because investing is risky. You lost because you didn't understand the game. Let me show you something most people never realize. Right now, if your money is sitting in a bank account, you are losing money, not visibly, but silently, because of one thing: inflation. Over the past few years in the US, inflation has been between 3% to 8%. That means your $1,000 today will not feel like $1,000 in the future. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 has historically returned around 8 to 10% per year. That's the difference between people who stay stuck and people who quietly build wealth. So what separates them? It's not intelligence. It's not luck. It's a system. Wealthy people don't guess. They follow a boring, repeatable process. And I'm going to show you that exact system. Step 1. Survive first before investing. Ask yourself, if I lose my job tomorrow, what happens? If the answer is panic, you don't need investments, you need stability. That's why keep some money as emergency fund, use high-yield savings accounts. Because the worst mistake? Investing money you might need. Step 2. Eliminate the enemy. If you have credit card debt, high-interest loans, stop. Because paying off 20% interest debt is like earning 20% guaranteed. Better than any stock. Step 3. Own America. Now here's where things change. Instead of guessing stocks, you buy the entire market. Yes, the entire market through VOOSPY. These funds invest in Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. So instead of betting on one company, you're betting on America itself. And historically, that has worked. Step 4. Ignore the noise. Here's where most people fail. They watch news, panic during crashes, sell at the worst time. But winners? They do the opposite. They stay calm. They stay consistent. And they let time do the work. Let's go back to you. What if, instead of gambling your $1,000, you followed this system? Instead of losing $350, you would have stayed invested. And over time, that money would grow slowly, then suddenly. Because that's how compounding works. If you have $1,000 right now, here's a simple plan. Safe plan. $500 to emergency fund, $500 to index fund. Growth plan. $300 to emergency, $700 to invest. Aggressive. $800 to index, $200 to learn stocks. No complexity, no guessing. Just clarity. Most people think, I'll start later. But later becomes next month, next year, never. And the cost isn't just money, it's time. And time is the most powerful asset you have. That $1,000 you have right now, it's not just money, it's a decision between fear or growth. Because years from now, you won't remember the amount, you'll remember whether you started or not. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. But this is just step one, so make sure you subscribe. And tell me in the comments what's stopping you from investing right now.